Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. You're watching Boss Your Money. I'm very excited to bring this video to you because the platform that I use to purchase my cryptocurrencies and do my cryptocurrency trading is BitOasis, and BitOasis has brought some incredible changes to their platform. Stick around to know all 3 changes that they have introduced recently. Let's get straight into the video. Now, I know that a lot of you have had concerns about the withdrawal fee that BitOasis charges for their customers, which used to be 200 dirhams every time you withdraw funds from BitOasis. Now, they don't charge a percentage fee from your transfer amount. So if you are withdrawing about 500 dirhams from your BitOasis account into your bank account, then they don't charge you like 10% off the 500, which is like 50 dirhams. What they did was they used to charge you a fixed amount of 200 dirhams from your transfer. So you would only get 300 dirhams from your transfer. Now, of course, if you are transferring 100,000 dirhams, 200 dirhams would not be a problem. But if you are transferring smaller amounts, it was quite a bit of fees that they used to charge. But after the recent update, they now only charge you 65 dirhams every time you would like to withdraw funds from BitOasis. Now, I don't think that this is a small fee. It is still a significant fee, but I think that it is worth spending 65 dirhams, which is a big decrease from 200 dirhams. But it also does give you a local company that is present physically in UAE. It gives you that sense of security when you use BitOasis, and they do transfer AED directly into your bank account, which is a huge plus for me. Now remember that BitOasis does not transfer funds to Mashreq Bank or Arab Bank in the UAE. But if you do bank with any of the other banks in the UAE, you should be good to go. Now, the second huge improvement that BitOasis has brought to their platform is actually going to be split into 2. A while ago when I made the video on BitOasis and the detailed walkthrough, I did mention that they don't currently at that time support wire transfers from your bank account. Well, they have enabled wire transfers now, so you can do a bank-to-bank transfer. You can do a fund transfer from your bank into BitOasis account, which does help a lot of people out. But they still do have the debit card or credit card transfer function as well. And a quick side note is that please do not use your credit card to deposit funds into BitOasis, because when you use your credit card for BitOasis transactions, your credit card company can actually charge you additional fees for that. So go ahead with debit card transactions for instant transactions, or you could choose to go with the bank transfer option, which is also a great option for you. Now, the second part of it, if you do choose to go with the bank transfer option, then BitOasis gives you a 0 transaction fee for your deposits into BitOasis account. Now, of course, all of this information is correct at the time of recording this video, but to be completely up to date, you might want to follow me on Twitter, or before you make a transaction, any transaction withdrawal or deposit, be sure to check out the BitOasis website if you are doing a cryptocurrency transaction with them, so that you are up to date on the fees. Now, the last and final update that they have brought to the BitOasis platform is that every time you sign up with the link in the description below, both of us, you and I, will earn a small referral commission, which is incredible for both of us. So if you do transfer anywhere up to 500 dirhams, I believe, if it is up to 499 dirhams, you and I will receive 25 dirhams into our BitOasis account. If you do deposit 500 dirhams up to 999 dirhams, you will receive 50 dirhams into your account. So think about it like this. If you do deposit 500, you are receiving 50 dirhams, which is 10% back. If you are depositing 999 dirhams, then you still only get 50 dirhams, which is a lot less in terms of your percentage. But if you deposit 1,000 dirhams, then you get 100 dirhams back into your BitOasis wallet. So keep that in mind and do a little bit of calculation before you sign up and make your first deposit. Again, as I said, if you deposit 1,000 dirhams, you will receive 100 dirhams into your account, which is again 10% of what you're depositing straight away. And of course, the reward program goes all the way up to 25,000 plus. If you want to deposit more, that's absolutely fine. You can do as much as you want. All you need to do is get on the platform and do your verification processes, and you can get investing right away. Now, if you are uncertain about whether you should invest in cryptocurrency or not, then I have made a couple of different videos where I give you my thoughts and my opinions on whether you should or shouldn't invest in the cryptocurrency market. Be sure to check that out so that you can make a more informed decision before you start investing. I've also received a couple of concerns from you guys regarding what exactly are the cryptocurrencies that are available to trade on BitOasis. Now, I know that they don't have a huge catalog of cryptocurrencies, but having said that, I personally still love to use BitOasis as my go-to cryptocurrency platform because they are local and they do allow AED deposits into their account, which is a huge plus for me, as I said. So even if I want to invest in other cryptocurrencies that are not available on BitOasis, I tend to go and deposit my funds into BitOasis, and then I go on to purchase either Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then transfer my Bitcoin or Ethereum to various other platforms which do have the currencies that I'm personally looking to buy. And once I'm done with my transaction, I move it into my cryptocurrency wallet anyway, so that's absolutely a non-issue. If you haven't seen my cryptocurrency wallet video, please be sure to check it out. I'll leave a card up there. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found this video useful, if you are going to start investing with BitOasis, please leave a like down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.